Beep, beep.
Are you driving mine?
Beep, beep. Neato, huh? You see mommy over there? Hi.
Are you having fun?
Beep, beep. Beep, beep.
Yes. Yes. He's going crazy.
Close? Okay, close it.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Are you driving the truck? Hi. Can you drive mine?
Can you drive? Show me how you drive, Meyer.
Good job.
Woo, woo, woo. Woo, woo, woo. Beep, beep. We'll do that at the end.
Ryan's like, no, we'll do it now.
What? Let me see. Oh yeah, that engages the fire pump. We don't want to do that right now. What else you want to see? You want to see more stuff? Come on, let's go see more stuff.